Hi, Mark. Are you having some trouble there? That looks like a very big box.
Oh, hi, Sarah. Yes, I am struggling a little bit. I think I was a bit too optimistic about my own strength. This box is much heavier and more awkward than I expected.
It certainly looks very long. What is it? Is it a new piece of furniture for your apartment?
It is. It is a new bookshelf that I ordered online. It arrives this afternoon, but the delivery person only left it here in the main hallway of the building. I have to get it inside my apartment by myself.
I see. And it looks like you are not having much success. Do you need some help? I have a few free minutes. I would be happy to give you a hand.
Really? Would you? Oh, that would be absolutely amazing. I would be so grateful. I have been trying to push it for 10 minutes, and I have only moved it about 1 meter.
It is no problem at all. That is what neighbors are for. So, where does it need to go? Just inside your front door or to a specific room?
The final destination is the living room against the far wall. The main challenge is not just the weight, it is the shape. Because the box is so long, I do not know how I'm going to get it around the corner in my narrow hallway.
I see the problem. The corner from your apartment entrance to the living room is very tight. We will have to be very careful not to scratch the walls or the box.
Exactly. Teamwork and a good plan are what we need. I am very glad you came along when you did. I was about to give up and just leave it here.
Well, two people are always better than one for a job like this. Okay, let's make a plan before we start lifting. What is the best way to carry it?
I think we will each need to take one end of the box. It is too wide for us to carry it side by side. I can take the front end, and you can take the back end. Is that okay with you?
That sounds like a good plan. You can walk backward and guide us, and I will follow you. How should we grip the box? Are there any handles?
Unfortunately, no. There are no plastic handles. It is just a smooth cardboard box. I think we will just have to hold it from the bottom.
Okay, and it is very important that we lift it correctly. We should both bend our knees and lift with our legs, not with our backs. I do not want us to hurt ourselves.
Lift with the legs, not the back. You are absolutely right. My back is already a little sore from trying to move it by myself. Okay, I am ready at my end. Are you ready?
Yes, I am in position. I have a good grip on the bottom of the box.
Okay, let's lift it together on the count of 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, lift!
Wow, you were not joking. It is quite heavy. It is not the weight of a feather, that is for sure.
It is very dense. It is all the compressed wood for the shelves. But it is much more manageable with 2 people. Okay, are you ready to start walking slowly towards my apartment door?
Yes, I am ready. Just go slowly and remember to tell me if I need to move to the left or the right.
I will. Okay, taking the first step now, walking backward. We're doing great. Just keep it straight for now.
This hallway is quite narrow, isn't it? My knuckles are very close to the wall on my side.
Mine too. Okay, you need to move a tiny little bit to your left. Your side is getting too close to the wall.
A little to my left. Okay, how is that? Is that better?
That is perfect. We are straight again. My apartment door is just a few more steps ahead. We are almost at the most difficult part.
I am mentally preparing myself for the tight corner. Just tell me exactly what you need me to do.
Okay, let's stop for a second, right here in front of my door. Let's put the box down for a moment so we can rest and think. Ready? Let's lower it slowly. Down.
Okay, that was a good idea. My arms were starting to feel it. So, what is the plan for this corner?
I think we need to get the front end of the box into the apartment first. Then we will have to pivot the back end around the corner of the wall. It is going to be a very tight fit.
So, you will go into the apartment first, and I will stay out here in the main hallway and swing the end of the box around. Is that the idea?
That is exactly the idea. It will require a lot of careful communication. I will need you to lift your end up quite high at one point so it can clear the corner. Please be very careful with your fingers. Do not let them get trapped between the box and the door frame.
I will be very careful. Okay, I am ready for part 2 of our mission. Let's do this.
Okay, let's lift the box up again. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, lift. Now, I am going to start walking backward into my apartment. Just follow me slowly.
Okay, I am coming. The end of the box is just reaching the corner of the doorway now.
Perfect. Now, I need you to stop walking. I am going to keep moving backward, and you need to let your end of the box swing to your right.
Okay, it is swinging. It is very close to the wall. A little more. A little more. Stop. If I go any further, I will hit the wall.
Okay, stop. Now, can you lift your end up a little and try to push it forward at the same time? It just needs to clear the door frame.
Lifting and pushing. Okay, I am trying. It is very awkward. It is almost there. Almost. Yes, it is through the doorway. We did it.
We did it! That was the hard part. The rest is easy. I am just going to keep walking backward into the middle of the living room. Just follow me.
That was some excellent teamwork and communication. I feel like we could be professional furniture movers.
I agree. Okay, right here is the perfect place to put it down. Let's just place it on the floor against this wall. Are you ready to lower it?
Yes, I am ready. Let's do it slowly and carefully.
Okay, lowering now. 3, 2, 1, and down. Perfect. The bookshelf has landed. Mission accomplished.
Whew. My arms are very happy that is over. That was a good workout. I do not think I need to go to the gym today now.
Me neither. Sarah, I cannot thank you enough. I would still be stuck in the hallway right now if it was not for you. You really saved me.
It was my pleasure. I am glad I could help. It is always nice to see what is inside the big boxes that get delivered to our building.
Well, now you know. It is a very exciting bookshelf. Can I please offer you a cold drink as a small thank you for your hard work? I have some cold water, or some apple juice, or a soda.
A glass of cold water would be absolutely wonderful right now. Thank you. Lifting heavy boxes is thirsty work.
It certainly is. Please, have a seat on the sofa. I will get you the water. So, this is where the bookshelf is going to go. I cannot wait to build it and fill it with all my books.
It is going to look great on that wall. It is the perfect size for the space. Do you think you will need any help with assembling it? Some of that flat pack furniture can be very complicated to build.
That is a very kind offer, but I think I can manage the assembly by myself. The instructions usually have pictures, which is good. You have already done more than enough to help me today.
Okay, but the offer is there if you get stuck. Here is your water.
Thank you. Seriously, Sarah, I owe you a big favor. If you ever need help with anything, like carrying your groceries or watering your plants when you are on vacation, please just ask me.
I will definitely remember that. It is really good to know that I have a helpful and friendly neighbor right next door. Well, I should probably let you get back to your new project. Enjoy building your bookshelf.